Hi everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today's video we are actually preparing para sa ating bagong adventure because we are going on a holiday. Yes, I'm so excited for that, and this is going to be a big trip, and this is going to be the first time that we are going to the US. So Today is a Sunday, actually. It's not yet my flight. Tomorrow pa yung flight ko. But today we are leaving the house because we are going to a friend's house, and I'm going to my friend's house that is somewhere near the airport. Para mas madali na lang for me to go to the airport tomorrow for my flight. My flight is at 11 a.m. and I'll be coming to the airport from there na. Kasi dito medyo malayo. So, ayun. So, yun lang. So, finally, after a couple of days, actually, 1 week akong nag-empake because nakakapagod talaga siya mag-empake and it's really hard. Ako pa naman isa akong malaking procrastinator. So, pag nasa-stress ako pag nag-empake. So, that's why I took my time in packing my stuff for this trip, basically. So, ayun. So, today natapos ko na. Sunday, I'm actually just about to go. Yun. So, diba, gulo-gulo pa yung buhok natin, pero carry lang yan. So, basically, we have our maletas. These are gonna be 2 big maletas that we will be bringing on this US trip. Dito, may isa akong maliit na cabin na luggage dyan kasi nag-save lang ako ng space, kumbaga, for more. Kasi baka may mga pasalubong and everything, alam mo na. Tapos yun lang. So yun lang guys. I'm so excited. Excited na ako for this trip. We are ready to leave. Yun. So sasama ko kayo. Another exciting time for us. So andyan na yung Uber natin guys. Alis na tayo. Love! I'm going na. Bye. Ano mo yung door for me? Tulungan mo ako. Coming mission.
Ay, sabi yung binabasa. Yung binabasa. Kaso naubos na naman yung packaging tape natin.
Tofu!
Tapos na, diba? Ayaw nga pa. Are you done humping? Are you done humping? Happy na? Daw siya. Wow! Big humping. The baby was humping. Are you done humping, baby?
Billy!
Say
Say hi to the camera. Hello, baby. Billy, babe. Hi. Good morning, guys. Today is our flight to New York, and I'm so excited. I just woke up a few minutes ago, and we are just about to get ready to go to the airport. I'm staying right now sa bahay ng friend ko dito sa malapit sa airport. So I decided yesterday to just come here and spend an overnight stay sa bahay nila, so that it would be easier for me to actually go to the airport this morning kasi I have a morning flight. So ayun, I'm so excited. I'm so excited to see my friends in the US. So, I hope everything goes well. Thank you, Lord. Medyo mainit ang weather today. but it's such a nice day. Today is also bank holidays dito sa London. So, I mean, dito sa UK, it's bank holiday. So, wala talagang pasok today as well. So, ayun, naka-holiday mood ang mga tao. So, ayun lang guys. We are getting ready now and I'll see you at the airport. Good morning, everyone. So, now, papunta na tayo sa airport and I am with no other than the Maya House team.
Tofu, say hi.
Hi. Tofu. 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 Good morning, baby. Hello. Good morning. Good morning. Ayan po, si Mr. and Mrs. Talaga pong
All-out support.
all-out support sa American Dream ng kanilang Sisi Iconic. So talagang full blast. Time check.
Hindi super full kasi wala si Miss Beanie.
Oo.
Hindi ko miss.
Si Miss Beanie, pagod na pagod. Talagang tinodo niya talaga yung energy niya. Kakasayaw ng mga Beanie songs last night. Dahil nag-concert po ang Beanie dito. So now we're going to Heathrow and from there, check-in na tayo. So see you at the airport, guys! Bye, kapatid!
Bye! Enjoy!
Thank you so much for bringing me to the airport. Bye! Bye, Tofu! Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Bye! Thanks, guys! Bye-bye! See you in 2 weeks. Bye! Bye!
Bahala naman siya.
Dito na tayo. Okay guys, so this is it. The journey starts. Journey starts now. Wish me luck. Pasok na tayo. Bye! So, kakalabas lang natin ng security. And now we are at the airport. And we are just about to go sa ating gate destination. And guys, talagang siniswerte ako sa trip na to kasi binigyan ako ng aisle access. Sometimes you just have to ask, really. So I'm so lucky nakakuha ko ng aisle access. And aside from that, yung buong seat and buong aisle ko, they're actually free. So I have 5 seats that are free for me. So I'm looking forward to this and I think may enjoy ko tong flight na to. So I'm so excited for that. I'm looking forward for a nice journey to New York. So andito na tayo sa airport ngayon.
Passengers are reminded that smoking is not permitted in the airport. Please wait. Security checks.
So, papunta na tayo sa ating gate. But we had to leave this Heathrow Airport. Transit to a different gate. So we are actually trying to punta tayo sa next na gates. We're riding the transit. So we are currently here sa ating gate number na nakalagay sa ating boarding pass, pero I think this is not it. Nakalagay lang. We have approximately like half an hour before they show the gates. We're pretty much very early, but I always like to be early anyways, and I think that's better para at least makapag-chill, makapag-relax, because sometimes you don't know. Hindi mo kasi alam kung ano nangyayari sa security and sa lahat ng mga information desk, like immigration and all that stuff. So, mabuti ng early, 'di ba? So now, andito na tayo, nag-chill lang tayo. So, ayan, makita mo yung ating gate, empty pa siya. So, I don't know if dito yung boarding namin or baka lilipat pa sa ibang gates, but we'll see. So far, smooth naman yung naging eksena namin sa security, and then going to check-in, security, and then here, smooth so far, walang aberya, thank God. And we are just about to, and also yun, yung ano natin, yung seats natin, nakakuha tayo ng magandang seats today, so I'm so happy. And perfect yung check-in natin, talagang luggage natin pasok sa banga. Walang labis, walang kulang, saktong-sakto. So, ayun lang. Update ko kayo later, guys, pag boarding na tayo. Boarding.
No, we can't put anything. Where are you sitting?
Native.
If you speak to them, yeah, but we can't put anything up here.
I could fit my carry-on. I know I have a big carry-on.
One left, please. Thank you.
Welcome on board, everyone. All customers have now boarded, and we are about to pause our in-flight entertainment. We ask that you remove your personal headphones until the end of the briefing. Portable electronic devices may be used during the flight as long as they are in...
And place it over your mouth and nose, and breathe normally, adjusting the band to secure it. Please note, the bag may not inflate. You may need to pull on the colored streamer to release your mask. Ensure your own mask is fitted before helping.
Hi guys, so we officially just landed here in JFK, America. This is it. so thrilled. It was almost 8 hours of actually a flight. Almost 8 hours, but it didn't really take 8 hours. We flew by so quickly, and now we're here. We just landed, and now everyone's just starting to come off the plane. So it was a really good flight, and next is immigration and security. So we're coming down now on the plane, and then we're gonna see what happens next. I'm so happy to be here. Can't wait to see everyone here in New York. See ya. So we just got out of passport control and immigration here in JFK, and it was really nice. The line was a bit long because obviously, like, it's international. It's one of the biggest airports, so I stayed in line for like almost an hour, but it's okay. So yes, welcome to New York. I'm just waiting for Sugar to actually come and pick me up. I told him to take his time and not rush. So we do have enough time for the rest of the day. It's only around like 2:30. So siguro mga 3 p.m. yung dating ko dito. So yeah. Oh my God, I can't believe it. I can't believe it. Nasa Amerika na ako. Who would have thought? Who would have thought na makakatungtong ako dito sa Amerika? It's so crazy, unbelievable. Can't wait. This is day 0 in United States of America, the land of the free and the home of the brave.
I'm trapped on the sis.
Hello!
Vlogger! Hi! Uy, muna! Hello!
Uy, welcome to London. Ay, welcome to New York.
Ikaw lang sa quiz. Layo-layo pa nga ito. Nga lakba yun. Ano pa nandito sa airport?
Ay, hindi pa niya mo.
Sabi mo ay nasa Midtown.
Sabi ko muna ng New York.
Amo na gini, may layar. Para dasi. Medyo pricey. Uy, tanong nga. Dapat gilita pa itong aura-aurahan. Uy.
Aesthetic. We are going for dinner tonight.
Ay, nakita mo si ano? Kita mo na siya.
Yes.
It's a World Trade. Freedom Tower.
Pa-picture ito.
Hey, can you take photo of us?
I call him siya.
Thank
Send
you.
siya ako. Hello, I don't know.
Hi, come on. Hi.
Hello, Herbert. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Thank you. Ano mo lang sa quality, ay, kina-live mo na gano'n. Matawa mo lang music. Then.
Hi guys, so that's it for today's video. This is the first night here in New York, in New Jersey actually, because we're here in Hackensack, New Jersey, and we'll be exploring more of New York tomorrow. Overall, it was really nice, but it was just super tiring. Nakakapagod talaga yung buong biyahe and flight, jet lag, gutom, lahat na. Soup ay. Pero overall, I'm so happy to be here, and I'm so glad to see Sugar again. And, you know, we actually had dinner with his family earlier, si tita, tsaka yung kapatid niya, and yung baby. So, it was so nice. And, yeah, so tomorrow we'll explore more of New York. So, for now, beauty rest, beauty sleep, but because tomorrow is also another big day. So, ayun lang. See you on the next video.